Hello, today I would like to show you how to write task 1 for diagram. Now we have IELTS 12 test for task 1. This diagram below shows how geothermal energy is used to produce electricity, and in this task 1 I'll explain you how to write the task 1 properly for this example. Well, first I'm going to write introduction. Actually, I'm going to just paraphrase this given introduction. It's much better. Then I'm going to write an overall, and then I'm going to move to body parts. So let's get started with the first one. The diagram illustrates the processes. All right, we have processes involved in the production of electricity from geothermal energy and water. So as you can see, we have introduction here. All we did is just paraphrasing this part, and now I'm going to write the overall part and give you an overall view. Overall, it is a fairly simple. It's a fairly simple process to understand. The cold water is heated to produce steam. This steam is then used to power the generator, which in turn produces electricity. Well, as you can see, we have overall, and now we have introduction up here, overall here, and I explained simply with all the process, including. Now I'm going to write step by step start. Right. So the process starts with cold water being pumped below the ground into the injection well about 4.5 kilometers below the earth surface lies the geothermal zone, which is basically a layer of hot rocks. The cold water is allowed to flow over these hot rocks so that it gets heated. This hot water is then stored in the production well, from where it is pumped back up to the ground level to reach the condenser So I hope you have this picture near you. Otherwise, it may be hard to follow as I'm going from this direction and this and this, and we come up to here. So if you don't have a picture right here, you may get confused. You may have hard time to understand. But if you have, it would be easy. So the hot water is then convert, converted converted to steam, which is allowed to flow into a chamber con, containing the turbine and the generator the hot steam rotates the turbine which powers the generator to produce electricity. It produces electricity. This electricity is then transferred over the electric grid from where it is supplied to homes and offices. Well, here I explained for each part detailed. We start from here and we moved here, then eventually we reached here. Once we came here, we talked about our last part. So as you can see, it's not real difficult. All you have to do is just follow the directions, instructions. It's given number 1, 2, 3. I would say flowchart is the easiest one if you have great vocabulary and grammar and you know what you're writing. So, if you have any questions, you can leave in the comments and I'll answer all of them without a doubt. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye.